other than the second speaker, which is I, therefore. I'm giving my replying speech, sorry, on the motion of today that stated that this House believes that computers should replace teachers. The third speaker, they came here, ladies and gentlemen, telling the House that they did not say that, computers should not replace teachers. And we inquired them that they should define for us the word replacing. Ladies and gentlemen, they gave us an example of replacing instead of a definition, ladies and gentlemen. So they do not understand from the start of today's debate. They do not understand the motion, ladies and gentlemen. They will talk about 5 years later, the green hydrogen or hydrogen or something. And then why are we wasting time? Some of us we were supposed to go and study, but we are here wasting time talking about something that is going to happen after 5 years, ladies and gentlemen. Why are we not going to talk 2 years before the green hydro, whatever you were saying, before it happens, ladies and gentlemen? And when did the Ministry of Health and Social Services required this? It was yes, by 2010, and then they were told that this cannot work because Namibia, we are very, very, very low. And Namibia is basically a developing country, ladies and gentlemen. Namibia is not a developed country, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, the opposing team, the proposing team, they were straightly supporting the opposing team, ladies and gentlemen, whereby they were saying that they are not replacing teachers with computers, ladies and gentlemen, but they are basically combining computers and teachers together, ladies and gentlemen. As their first speaker basically said that they are totally replacing teachers with computers, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, they never talked about the rate of non-employed people in Namibia, ladies and gentlemen. We had stated that 75% of them they are unemployed, ladies and gentlemen, and 65% of them they are graduating in 2027, ladies and gentlemen, starting becoming teachers, ladies and gentlemen. They did not answer us where will they take these people, ladies and gentlemen, because they are causing these people to they are pulling our country to become the rate of poverty to increase, ladies and gentlemen. Because where will you take these people if you replace them with computers, according to the motion of today, ladies and gentlemen? Where will you take these people? They will be jobless, ladies and gentlemen. In Namibia, we have a rate of high unemployed people in our country, ladies and gentlemen. We have stated that 65 from the 75 they are graduated. They are getting graduated in 2027, and they left 15%, ladies and gentlemen, they are uneducated, and where will they basically go? Ladies and gentlemen, with the TVETs, they are here to support the people that are not qualifying for the high education institution, ladies and gentlemen. So with that, I thank the proposers for supporting our motion, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.